So this is kind of why it's important to always check the RV for damage and stuff when you get back and be a little bit more detailed. I got an RV, I got my camper van back. It was a late check-in in the evening. It was dark outside, and they said that, you know, nothing happened or anything like that. So took them at their word. They were repeat customers, so, you know, never had any problems before. And then I woke up this morning and I noticed this damage. So this end cap was busted off. Now, it's not the end of the world, but it does kind of look, you know, shabby. And so the issue is that I went back and looked at the photos, the pre-trip photos, and it was already there. So it wasn't their fault. They didn't do it. But the photos that were prior to that, they deleted, so I don't have them anymore. Now, this part is only, you know, I looked it up, it was like $20. So it's not a huge deal, but this is an example of kind of some of the things that start adding up over time. So I'm gonna see if I can try and maybe salvage this part here and maybe just like take this off and repair it some kind of way. If not, I'll order it a new one, and which is probably what I'll end up doing, and we'll go from there. And as you can see, it's all tore up. Actually, this bottom part is just gone, so there will be no salvaging. That part is gone. So, yep, looks like I'll be buying a new part, and we'll chalk it up to tax deductions for damage. So I'll go get that ordered right now. So I got the part ordered, and what I'm going to do is just to kind of keep it at least looking somewhat presentable and functional, so it doesn't have anything not covering it. I'm going to just fix this, super glue it together, back together, and then I'll put it back on temporarily until I get the part in, and I can just replace the whole thing. So I'll do that now. So I'm gonna throw some super glue on here and just basically put this back together and keep it. I always feel like it's better at least to have it on there partially repaired than to just have it wide open the way it is and then potentially get worse. Something else happens, maybe that thing gets kicked or something like that, or I don't know, whatever. But this could at least make it look halfway decent. All right, so I got the glue set nicely, and it's you know, strong enough to at least hold together. Having this piece open, this could potentially slide off or something. Maybe this could potentially slide off, or I don't know. I'd just rather it be covered up. So I'm going to take off the back one, put it in the front one, and then put this one in the back one until it's the replacement part arrives. All right, so that looks at least a little bit better on the front end. And then on the back end, it's harder to see it. So I'll call that good for now, temporarily. That way, at least when it goes out on the next rental, the part will be here after it gets back. So it doesn't look so bad when it's going out. So that's a temporary fix for now, and we'll see how it holds up. All right, see you on the next video.